In this video, I'll show you how to play Cryopar on your mobile device. The process is simple, so follow along. You can play Cryopar on a phone, but the experience won't be perfect. The game is officially available only on PC. On Steam, you can download and play it normally, but you won't find the real Cryopar on the Play Store or the App Store. You may see similar games, but not the original one. That's why I'm using Steam Link. If you're not familiar with it, Steam Link lets you run the game on your computer and stream it to your phone. This is the easiest and most practical way to play Cryopar on mobile. It won't run natively, but it will feel close. You'll get touchscreen controls, joysticks, and buttons, and you can even connect a controller for a better experience. Keep in mind that this method relies on your internet connection. Since the game is streamed from your PC, you need to stay close to your router. The farther you go, the more lag you'll have, and the gameplay will feel less smooth. One last reminder, you must have a PC for this to work. The game needs to run on a computer before it can be streamed to your phone. Without a PC, there is currently no way to play Cryopar directly on mobile. I hope this helped. If this video showed you how to play Cryopar on your phone, consider subscribing. About 83% of viewers aren't subscribed, and your support helps us create more high-quality videos.